everybody a greeting? How about a greeting? Yeah, nice little greeting right there. And if you guys are lucky, she just might give you a great big kiss. Now, Keto's pretty good at some animal sounds. Here's one of my favorites, Keto. What does a tiger say? Pretty scary tiger. All right, here's another one that's a little bit tamer. How about your kitty cat? Now that's pretty fun. What Keto's best known for is her singing ability. She has a really fun song about a barnyard chicken, and I'm pretty sure she wants to share it for you guys. All right, what do you think? You ready to sing that song? You ready, Keto? Yes, you are. You're going to dance first. All right, we're getting ourselves warmed up. All right, let's sing. Let's sing.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm. Oh, that farm had a Oh, MacDonald had a farm.
Have a girl.
That was
I
crazy.
thought you guys would like that. I have to tell you, that song's a little bit different every single time she sings it. All right, now Keto also does something really fun when you guys clap for her. Do you want to try that? How about a great big round of applause?
Yay!
You're very silly, Keto. You have done a great job, but I think it's time for you to go. Can you tell everyone goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Great job.
Wow, Lindsay, that bird is so cool.
Oh.